Hello everyone. I thought I would let you see something that I have just scored. I'm so happy. Obviously I paid for it, but let me take you back. Not in time, but in distance. Ooh, to focus. Yes, my brand new Singer cabinet with Singer sewing machine in it. Let me take you on a wonderful journey. So I got this at Break Vintage in Tewkesbury. They are wonderful people. It opens like this. There we go. The wood needs a bit of a polish because I've only just got it. But you can see it's beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. So this is how you work. Look at the size of that table. That's brilliant. Oh, and what might be in here? Let me show you soon. So here are the cabinets. Sorry, the lighting's not the best, but that's what it is in our house. And we've got beautiful work of the wood. We have a cabinet. I think the only thing we're missing are the keys. So this opens all the way. And look at these drawers. Look at them. It came with floss. Ah. And I think this might be Bakelite or something like that with all its pieces. And there is a second shelf to that, but I can't do this while one-handed. And other drawers. And on this side, opens just to there to show the mechanism. Then, I love this. I absolutely love this. Look at that door hinge. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, and I haven't shown you the best. Look at the beautiful wood. Beautiful. So, this opens up. Well, I should close that. There we go. Boom. This opens up. And we have a treadle. And then I push this button. Hopefully. I think. Well, we push this button and up it comes. Hold on one second, I need to do this two-handed. Ready? I've pushed the button and now it's going to just, hopefully, come on up. Come on, darling. There we go. Oh, ta-da! Clunk into action. The door had to be opened. And then, to make sure it's fully workable, you push these doors and you have a space for sitting at. And here is the glorious thing. It is a Singer. It is a 66 or 66K from 2017. I have not yet confirmed whether it is the K or not. Beautiful piece. It does need a bit of a polish, especially on its plate. Looking a little bit rusty. Well, not really rusty, just it needs a clean. And you can see the beautiful decals, if my phone will focus, there we go. And there's only a little bit of wear, obviously where either the hand or the fabric is running through. It is the Singer with the lotus flower symbols on it. And there it is. Let me see if I can show you the back. There we are. Back is just as beautiful as the front. And there we go. I'm so chuffed with it. And click. And here's the action. Isn't that just beautiful? Isn't that just the best sound you've ever heard? It has a winder and it's bobbin, which to me this looks like it's been replaced at some point because this is very worn. But look at this little button. That's how the bobbin comes out. I'm so happy with this, as you can probably tell. So I'm going to do some things on this. I'm going to make a walking skirt. That is my goal, my plan. and I might even make a little vlog of it. So there we go. I hope you are as ecstatic about this as I am. I love it. I'm so happy, and I'm so glad to have got something and supported a wonderful charity for young mental health called Break, and this one over here is Break Vintage. So support your local charity, get amazing finds, and get sewing. It's something that has no electricity. I'm ready for the zombie apocalypse right now. Are you? Bye.